Hello, my name's Cal. I'm back this week with the superb Toyota CHR. Let me show you around. On the steering wheel we have your usual, such as your commands for the centre display in between your dials, as well as your trip history to navigate through all of those, and your volume and hands-free connections. In the centre we have your main touchscreen, which holds your satellite navigation, your in-car settings and radio, which features DAB. Further down, got all your climate controls with your heated front seats, air conditioning. This model in particular is the 1.8 hybrid, fitted with quite a few optional extras, such as your lane departure warning, satellite navigation. Hope you've enjoyed this video on the CHR. It's a stunning car. If you have any questions or would like any more information on it, please contact me myself at Ipswich. Thank you.